Hello, my dear ZRX traders. Not sure if there are many traders out there who are trading ZRX. Let me get the camera in. And let's have a look, guys, what has been going on with ZRX. I definitely want to make this video now on ZRX so you don't miss this opportunity. Because we have actually seen a bottom reversal, okay, and quite a strong one. As you can see, we have basically broken above 17 cents. When we broke the 17 cents, okay, ZRX ran more than 50%. From that 50% one, just have a look here, we have gotten a beautiful and perfect equilibrium zone, okay? With the highs, with the lows here, lower highs, higher lows, lower highs, higher lows, tightening eventually, and then here the break comes. So when you get, so the previous high of the equilibrium range obviously is here, and when you break out from the smaller tightening, the first target is always this range. So it was 10% already, but as we can see, CRX did solid 20%, okay? So we came up here. This is what I had posted in our Slack group, that we are building a cup and handle, and we have beautifully the 28 cents, guys, as the ceiling, okay? It's 28 cents. Have a look. We couldn't break above the first time, but we are still in here, okay? We are still in here. We have now basically two V-shaped recoveries, and we are yet again here. So it is very expected, should we retrace here, that we maybe build another right handle, and that CRX basically tries to get the break above higher just from this move. So if you don't dissect it, it's a perfect bull flag, okay? Here is the pole, and here is the flag. It is a beautiful and perfect bull flag. Let me go to the daily chart and show you the potential. So as you can see already here, okay, this is Coinbase because it was listed only prior to that. Just have a look. I mean, we had been so much higher, okay? We had been so much higher. So we have a, like, older price ranges are going crazily high, but we don't need to look that high. Even on Coinbase, we can still see this nice range, okay? Have a look. And I had been posting about this. So this was, we had been in this nice equilibrium when we had broken above one time, a second time, and have a look. We are yet again grinding at this 28. So the first time when we had broken above the 28, we went solid to 40 cents, okay, with the wicks, 40%. The second time we broke above higher, I cannot see it right now. There you go. Even here with the wicks, we are going solid, as you can see, almost the same. And then we are breaking. So this zone is crucial. You can see this clearly, okay? We are now here yet again, exactly grinding at the zone. So we have rejected with a few daily candles, but we're trying to get the close. And I mean, if we can close above near to that zone, it's pretty high. My dear friends, if we break this eventually, okay, and we still have room to go, obviously, on the RSI. I don't have it here right now, but I had looked at it previously. And so should we eventually see the break coming here, we could, okay? We could go to those range highs because there is not much resistance. Maybe this area, okay, you could say, okay, that's still like solid 10%. But I mean, the eventual, direction is like 40 cents. So it could go, okay, 20 to 40% to the upside. That's what I'm showing to you because it's extremely bullish. Have a look. We are breaking basically this nice tightening equilibrium to the upside. And since then, it's a very, even this move is a very solid cup and handle, okay? And it's trying to see follow through. And it can, okay? It's very strong. It can see follow through. And yeah, just want to put this out here. What happened with our indicators? I did a video today introducing our indicators. Could you have seen this pump coming? Okay, like could you have seen this coming with ZRX? And you could have perfectly seen this coming. I mean, you could have even seen this from the bottom coming, obviously. But yeah, so there we go. Even the bottom move up. Before we break, okay, before the break happens, have a look at this. Runar turns green, okay? We turn green at the bottom range. We are here. And when do we turn red? Basically, when we come up. So of course, in this case, we could have taken much more profit. Okay, we ran up to 50%. But nonetheless, okay, just for the sake of the argument, we got still away with around 32 in the middle of the candle. So 32, 22% here, which is still solid profit. We went long since then, basically stayed in the range. We have a few red candles. So this is, I can see with my eye, break even. And here we get the green again. Have a look. This is where Runar puts us into the trade, and we are since then bullish. 24%, okay, before the run up happened. So why is this beautiful? Because you don't just have Runar telling you, but you also, if you have technical analysis knowledge, you see here, okay, we have a beautiful tightening equilibrium. So I personally, according to my trading style, would have traded this anyways, okay? I would have traded this anyways. And of course, with Runar giving you the green light, it is literally giving you the green light before it breaks, okay? How amazing is that, okay? Show me any indicator, okay? Just go there. Show me any indicator which can do what our beautiful and amazing Odin framework is capable of doing. This is a killer system. We are going to take over TradingView with Runar. I'm telling you this here already. We are going to take the space over because it is the best. It is the probably the single biggest indicator framework which has a positive expectancy. So even if you just trade Runar up and down, you will come out positively. You don't even have to know how to trade, and this is amazing because the majority of retail traders are losing, and it works across all sectors. Not just in crypto, it works in stocks, it works in forex, it works everywhere. And my dear friends, if you want to try this out, you can go with the trial version. So you don't have to believe anything that I'm telling you. Just get your trial version. Just go through yourself, and you will see that it's working actually. And you will see the magic on your own PC. And once you see that, okay, once you see that, it will be very very hard to give up on it. I'm telling you. And yeah, so I'm very very excited because it's just killing it. And yeah, but nonetheless, I wanted to show this to you. So obviously, Runar works best when the asset itself has volatility potential, which is right now the case with ZRX. So I'm showing you ZRX and not another analysis because the asset itself has potential for volatility, and of course, Runar is taking that volatility. So we are green all over the space, from the hourly up to the 4 hour, as you can see, completely green. And yeah, if we break the 28, we have huge upside potential. So that's it. If you had some value, give it a thumbs up. And like I said, check out the Bitcoin video that I did today. Look at how Odin came about, what we are intending to do with it, and so forth. Okay? All the information is there, also in the XRP video. And I say adios amigos, no matter where you are, and see you.